how to make a subpage to individual page in Wix. So what you have to do is come to your dashboard of Wix and you have to go to this edit site option over here. Once you click this option, it's going to load this interface for you and you have to wait for it to load, and once it's loaded, I'm going to come back and tell you what to do next. So here you can see that this page has opened for me, the editor page. Here you just have to go over here on this arrow and click the page home and click manage pages over here, and once you click manage pages, you're going to be opened with this very menu, and what you have to do is look for these site menu options. So what you have to do is just come over here on these dots and you just have to take it over here by dragging it to the side, to the right side, and place it over here. So your sub page is ready. So here you can see that my sub page is ready, and the second option is that you click these three dots and here you just click sub page, and there you go, you have made this a sub page to your main page. And if you want to like change it back into a main page, just click over here on the three dots and change it back into the main page. So this is an easy process that you can follow to make sub pages, and I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.